Let love rule. We are living at a turning point for humanity, a moment to remember what truly matters. Life is not something to rush past, but something to experience in wonder, the beauty of nature, the power of connection, and what we can create together when we choose love. Love is not soft, love is strong, love is direction. The art of whole living is a way of being conscious, grounded, and fully alive. This is the future we are choosing. Together, let love rule. All the love. Maike Liselot AYA.